So today we're going to be making these little guys, chicken livers from the devil all the time.
Hello there.
Pleased to meet you, Reverend Emma Russell.
Nice to meet you too. What you got?
A great day in his life, 'cause the songs that they were singing.
So let's crack our egg. And then we're gonna add our half a cup of milk. So that is well combined now. So we can set that aside. And now we'll get our dry ingredients together. So we're gonna need a full cup of flour. Oof. We're gonna do a tablespoon of garlic powder. A lot of garlic powder. And then you're supposed to add salt and pepper to taste. I'm not really a big fan of ground black pepper, so I'm just gonna opt to put in some salt, and I don't know how much to put in because like I said, it said to taste. Let's do a half a teaspoon. Yeah. All right. Okay, so that is nicely combined as well. So now we have our wet ingredients and our dry ingredients. And we're gonna get out the most important ingredient to this recipe, and that's the chicken livers. So these were not easy to track down. Not everybody carries chicken livers. So if you want to make these, you might have to look around before you are able to actually get them. And I was quite surprised at how these were packaged. Yeah, they appear to be packaged in their own blood, which is a bit disturbing. So let's open them up and see what they look like. Oh. Ew. Okay, don't know what I was thinking when I was like, yeah, let's do this one. Ew. Oh God, that's a weird sensation. Okay, oh my God. Oh my God, they're really big. Okay, why are they that big? Are they supposed to be that big? I guess I'll trim these up a little bit and get them into some smaller sizes, and then we'll work on breading. So now that we've gone ahead and cut them, and then afterwards I washed them, let's get to breading. We have our chicken livers here. We're gonna set up our wet ingredients here, our dry ingredients here, and then we're going to put them on a plate so that we can take them over to the stove. So wow, that was so messy. This is how much I made, and then I was like, you know what? I've already covered my whole stove and countertops and floor in oil. I think I'll stop at this. Anyway, let's taste these because I'm excited to taste them. They may be overcooked. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, I think I overdid the outside. I don't know, maybe the inside's overdone a little bit too. But it's kind of like a little creamy, I guess. Yeah, it's kind of got this creamy texture rather than that fibrous texture of chicken meat. Yeah, I mean, it tastes pretty darn good to me. I think that if you like fried chicken, there's no reason you wouldn't like this. All right, so if you like this video, give it a big old thumbs up, subscribe, comment,